This video shows you how to stop WhatsApp messages from disappearing automatically and keep your chats saved permanently with a few quick settings changes. Method 1. Turn off disappearing messages for a specific chat. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the chat where messages are disappearing automatically. Once you're inside the conversation, tap the contact's name or the group name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. Next, scroll down until you find disappearing messages and tap on it. If WhatsApp displays an informational message, tap Continue to proceed. You will then see several options for message duration. Select Off to disable the feature completely for that chat. After turning it off, all future messages sent in that conversation will remain in the chat unless they are manually deleted by you or the other participant. Method 2. Turn off disappearing messages for all new chats. If every new chat you create automatically uses disappearing messages, you can change the default setting. Open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings, then tap Privacy. Scroll down and choose Default Message Timer. You will see options that determine how long messages stay before disappearing. Select Off to disable the automatic disappearing message feature for all future chats. This setting only affects new conversations going forward. Existing chats that already have disappearing messages enabled may still need to be changed manually using the first method. Thanks for watching. Your WhatsApp conversations will now stay in your chat history, so you won't have to worry about messages disappearing.